Taurus moon cooking. There's no meat allowed on this show. Nah, I'm embarrassed now. We're making pasta.
No, you're not.
What are we making?
Just stir fry.
Stir fry. First, we're gonna start by dicing an eggplant.
Damn, that's a big egg.
Yeah, you know what else is big? This eggplant. So always wash the
Lily's
vegetables.
question for my story said nook way. Oh, sorry. Oh, sorry.
And ooh, I didn't do that. Always compost, you know? Save the environment. So as you can see, I love, flushed wet vegetables on a cutting board, and then you cut the heads up. Anyways, that's a pretty good cut.
Yeah, we're gonna be gardening. I think those are small enough. Those are too small. The fuck though? She said small. Yeah, I should have just showed you. I don't think it will make a damn difference. I mean, it makes a difference with eggplant, because eggplant gets slimy, so you won't take the chunks. You're so fucking picky. Alright, then I'll make it bigger. Well, now it's gonna be different sizes. So?
Yeah, it's my first time cutting eggplant, okay? Don't be a fucking sore loser.
What are you doing?
I don't know what we're doing with it. Ice and curd. Imagine I just slit it and start bleeding. Okay, anyways, back to the cooking. Then you mince the ginger. Constantly be thinking about the Supreme Lord of Godhead.
Alright, so we got a chance, and there's curd. Paneer.
Paneer.
She's not gonna explain what she's doing.
Well, once the paneer starts getting a little bit crispy on the edges, then you can add the eggplant to it. And now you want to fry the eggplant until it becomes translucent. And you want to do this before you add the tomatoes because the tomatoes inhibit the cooking. And so you want this to become translucent before you add the tomatoes. In this, there's water. You've gotten translucent as is demonstrated. See how it's see-through? See how it's see-through?
Oh.
And we can either do peas or spinach with this subdi. What do you think?
Definitely not peas. Look at that.
I literally can cook with.
Sorry, he's just like that.
Look at peas. Frozen peas because we're disgusting.